25th. Where you were.
So as a young leader, politician, what is it that you can talk about the nation? What is it that you think that other young leaders out there can learn from the leadership of the
Well, first and foremost, regardless of a few hiccups here and there, or regardless of not being perfect as any other human being, we as Africans must invoke our spirit of Ubuntu when we lose somebody. We condole with the people of Tanzania, and we pray to God that God continues to strengthen them. We're already glad that they've had a peaceful transition, and that is something to celebrate. It's unfortunate that we lost President Magufuli. We remember him as a leader that was so against corruption. He cracked down on corruption, and in the 6 years that he has been president of Tanzania, we saw a drastic fall in corruption. We saw improvement in infrastructure. He's a president, regardless of his weaknesses, who loved his people, who worked for his people, and he proved to us that to transform one's country does not have to take more than 35 years. In 6 years, what he did for the people of Tanzania and the example that he left for Africa will stay forever.
What do you think the remaining presidents can learn from his legacy?
Well, the remaining presidents can learn from President Magufuli that he does not have to take ages for a leader to have impact on the people that he's leading. And that's exactly what President Magufuli showed us all.
simanyi sote mbira kwa Kiswahili
kanjogere Luganda engeri gye tuli mu kongobaga
Kiswahili ojja kuona
kitalo nnyo nti President Magufuli yatufuddeko bwe tuli Bafirika newankubadde oli abatatuukiridde ng'omuntu ne bwe tumufiirwa kitukakatako okugyayo omwoyo gwaffe ogw'obuntu. Olw'ensonga eyo twegatta ku bantu b'e Tanzania kongobagira President Magufuli anajjukirwanga ng'omukulembeze eyalwanyisa enguzi ebyaddala, anajjukirwanga omukulembeze akyusiza obulamu bw'abantu be ebyaddala, era atuwa ekyokuyiga nti tekyetaagisa muntu okumala myaka gisukka 35 okukyusa obulamu bw'abantu be. Abadde president okumala emyaka 6 naye level gyatuusaako Tanzania mu kulwanyisa enguzi n'ebyenkulaakulana ng'enguudo n'ebirala ebifaanana bwe bityo birabikako. So ajja kujjukirwa nga omukulembeze abadde ayagala nnyo abantu be. Tusaba Mukama mumuze emirembe. Kwenye Swahili tunasema lala salama Rais Pombe Magufuli, Mungu amupe baraka.
Wewe kama kiongozi ambaye bado ni mdogo, ambaye bado ni mchanga, ni yapi ambayo nadhani viongozi wengine wanaweza kujifunza kutokana na aliyotenda?
Tukiangalia kazi ya President Magufuli inatufundisha kupigana na corruption, inatufundisha ati corruption au kupigana mapigano na corruption inawezekana. Alipiga corruption, alifukuza kutoka Tanzania at least to some extent, na hiyo ina baki na sisi kama lesson. Asante sana.
Yeah, here's the President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu after paying the respect to the fallen soldier or to the fallen comrade, the former President of the Republic of Tanzania. He has been here at High Commission in Uganda. He has spoken in English, Kiswahili and Luganda. Ayogedde ensonga egamba nti bannange newankubadde tuli